Welcome back, Barry at where stories are always intact. Join the fun, let's all react. Barry acts, that's a fact.
Nettspend, Green Slime, or Slime Green. This song came out 4 days ago. Apparently this is a music video. So before this gets taken down, I'm going to react to it. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be linking this in the description below if you guys want to go check this out for yourself. Is this going to be a bop or a flop? As always, keep your energy up. Don't get into nothing crazy. So let's get right into it, y'all.
I can't answer that call. My phone been jumping on my phone. Look inside the brain, bitch. I'm high as fuck. Can't answer no. Talking about my brother, bitch. We spinning that Honda, y'all. Pushing with my love one. This shit
I kind of like it.
Seeing things that I ain't seen before. That was got me flowing higher than a fucking pigeon, yo. Me and Ren is the ultimate duo in this fucking yo.
It's not.
Bitch, we spin, yeah, before they know. Shit, and this a hit and y'all ain't fucking know. Slime green, Balenci on my
Yeah, this is.
I'm a mo.
It's a little hit. It's a little hit.
Fucking with the vision, told you that you gotta go.
I kind of like it. It's not bad. It's probably gonna go on the. I like the beat.
And you should already know. Ghost, you ain't know, but now you know. I can't answer that call. My phone been jumping.
You ain't know, but now you know. I can't answer that call. My phone jumping. So you know you ain't know. Jumping on my phone. Look inside blank. I'm high as blank. Talking about my brother blank. We spin my love. This blank hurting, but I'm getting, yeah. I'm seeing things I've never seen before. So I think he's talking about doing substances, which is really bad. I'm not gonna lie. That's bad. And that's promoted a really bad influence on just, you know, whoever's watching this. And I'm sure it's a younger generation who watches Nettspend because he is a younger generation artist. So, you know, they got him. You know, they got him. They got him promoting this agenda that is trying to kill kids. Yeah. And, you know, it's kind of crazy. It really makes you wonder, you know, I don't know. It's just crazy how somebody can be promoting death. I get a lot of people do it. It's like a trend. I'm not going to say anything, actually, because that's really bad. I'm not going to go tell yourself to go, you know, basically do something to hurt yourself. That's bad.
Things that I ain't seen before. That was got me flowing higher than a fucking pigeon.
I ain't seen before. Got me flowing higher than a blank pig. What? Me is the ultimate duo in this blank. Bro, these songs today are getting wild. Bro. Oh my gosh, this is promoting. But I kind of like that beat. Bro, that was fire! That was fire. That's going on the playlist. I love the beat. The story, not so much. But, hey. I kind of like it. So, yeah, that's that. And if I like it, it's going on the playlist. I might remove it. You know, I listen to the playlist a lot because it's the playlist. So, I can edit it whenever I want. And if I think a song is bad, then I will remove it. But right now, this is going on the playlist. And yeah, 10 out of... Well, it's like a 8 or a 7 out of 10. We'll do a 7.5 out of 10 on the bear scale. So yeah, this has been Nettspend Slime Green review. And yeah, this has been Pair with the React. And if it ain't a react with Bear, then it ain't a react at all. Yeah, it's cool.